If your desktop is full of files and folders like this and you're looking for a quick way to clean it up, here's what you can do. Click and drag over all of the files to select them. Then hold down the Control key on your keyboard or right-click on one of the files and click on New Folder with Selection. All of the files and folders will then instantly drop into one single folder and your desktop will be nice and neat. Now let's say that all of the files that you want to organize into a single folder are not all right next to each other on the desktop, so the click and drag way wouldn't work. What you need to do instead is hold down the Command key on your keyboard and then click on the individual files that you want to organize into a single folder. And then when you're ready, hold down the Control key on your keyboard or right-click on one of the selected files and click on New Folder with Selection. Then all of those selected files will drop into a single folder.